The Stoic philosophy explained by Marcus Aurelius. A journey to inner strength. Get ready to be amazed. Watch this video to the end and subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve with the latest updates and mind-blowing content. Imagine standing in the middle of life's chaos. Loss, betrayal, heartbreak, and fear swirling around you like an unrelenting storm. You feel the pull of anger, the sting of despair, and the weight of uncertainty. Yet amidst this turmoil, you remain calm, steadfast, and unshaken. This is not indifference, it is mastery over yourself. It is the essence of Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches us to find peace and strength within, no matter what life throws at us. Marcus Aurelius, one of history's greatest philosophers and Roman emperors, embodied this philosophy. His personal journal, Meditations, is a timeless guide to living with wisdom, courage, and virtue. Today, we will delve deeply into his teachings to uncover the transformative power of Stoicism. Together, we will explore how this ancient philosophy can help us overcome destructive emotions, master our minds, and live a life of purpose. The core of Stoicism, a philosophy for life. At its heart, Stoicism is a practical philosophy. It is not about abstract theories or distant ideals. It is about how we live our lives every single day. The Stoics believe that happiness and fulfillment come not from external circumstances, but from within, from how we think, act, and respond to the world around us. Marcus Aurelius taught that life is governed by three key disciplines: perception, action, and will. These are not just ideas, they are tools for navigating life's challenges with clarity and strength. 1. The discipline of perception, seeing clearly. The first discipline is perception, the ability to see things as they truly are. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that it is not events themselves that disturb us, but our judgments about them. He writes, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment." Meditations, Book 8. What does this mean? It means that nothing outside of us, no event, no person, no circumstance, has the power to harm us unless we allow it to. It is our interpretation of events that creates suffering. For example, if someone insults you, their words cannot harm you unless you choose to take offense. If you lose a job or face rejection, it does not define your worth unless you let it. The discipline of perception teaches us to strip away emotional distortions and see things objectively. Instead of reacting impulsively or letting emotions cloud our judgment, we pause and ask ourselves, what is within my control here? What is the rational way to respond? This practice empowers us to face life's challenges with calmness and clarity. 2. The discipline of action, living with virtue. The second discipline focuses on action, how we behave toward others, and how we fulfill our role in the world. Marcus Aurelius believed that we are all part of a greater whole, that humans are interconnected like branches on a tree. He writes, "We were born to work together like feet, hands, and eyes, like the two rows of teeth, upper and lower. To obstruct each other is unnatural." Meditations, or Book 2. This means that our actions should always reflect virtue, qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Living virtuously is not just about doing what feels good, it is about doing what is right. For Marcus Aurelius, justice means treating others fairly and contributing to the common good. Courage means facing fear with resolve. Temperance means practicing self-control and moderation. Wisdom means seeking truth and understanding. Every day presents opportunities to act virtuously. When someone wrongs you, respond with kindness instead of retaliation. When faced with temptation or distraction, choose discipline over indulgence. When making decisions, prioritize what benefits others as well as yourself. Marcus reminds us, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one. Virtue is not something we talk about, it is something we live through our actions. 3. The discipline of will, accepting what we cannot control. The final discipline addresses our attitude toward what lies beyond our control: fate, chance events, and external circumstances. Marcus Aurelius teaches us to accept these things with grace rather than resistance. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Meditations. Book 4. This principle lies at the heart of Stoicism. Focus on what you can control, your thoughts, choices, and actions, and let go of what you cannot, the actions of others, external events. This distinction is known as the dichotomy of control. For example, you cannot control whether someone likes or dislikes you, but you can control how you treat them. You cannot prevent illness or death, but you can choose how to face them. You cannot change the past, but you can learn from it. When we accept what we cannot change, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering. Instead of fighting against reality or wishing things were different, we align ourselves with nature's flow. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on life's impermanence, the fact that everything changes and nothing lasts forever. Rather than fearing this truth, he embraced it as a source of perspective. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. Meditations, Book 7. By accepting impermanence, we learn to cherish each moment without clinging to it. Overcoming destructive emotions. One of Stoicism's greatest gifts is its ability to help us overcome destructive emotions like anger, fear, envy, and grief. These emotions are natural but can consume us if left unchecked. Marcus Aurelius understood this deeply. He called anger a temporary madness that clouds judgment. He saw fear as an illusion created by imagining worst-case scenarios. He viewed grief as a natural response, but one that should not paralyze us. Stoicism does not ask us to suppress emotions, but to transform them. Anger can become justice when channeled constructively. Fear can become caution when tempered by reason. Grief can become gratitude for what was once ours. By mastering our emotions rather than being mastered by them, we reclaim our inner peace. Living in accordance with nature. For Marcus Aurelius, living well meant living in harmony with nature, not only external nature, but also human nature. He believed that everything in life happens for a reason, even hardships, and that our role is to align ourselves with this greater order. Accept whatever comes to you, woven in the pattern of your destiny. For what could more aptly fit your needs? Meditations, Book 4. This does not mean passivity. It means understanding that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. As Marcus famously wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." When faced with obstacles, see them as opportunities rather than setbacks. Ask yourself, what virtue can I practice here? Patience, courage, resilience. Use them as stepping stones toward becoming your best self. A call to action. We are not passive victims of fate. We are active participants in shaping our lives through our thoughts and actions. Marcus Aurelius challenges us. Get back up when you fall. Celebrate behaving like a human. Let these words inspire you. When anger rises within you, pause before reacting. When fear grips your heart, reflect on what truly matters. When loss darkens your days, accept it with grace while cherishing what remains. Stoicism is not easy. It requires discipline and effort, but its rewards are profound. Inner peace amidst chaos, strength amidst adversity, clarity amidst confusion. Conclusion, walking together on this path. Marcus Aurelius's Meditations is more than a book. It is a guide for living with purpose and integrity in an unpredictable world. His teachings remind us that true freedom lies not in controlling external events, but in mastering ourselves. If this message resonates with you, if it stirs something deep within, take action today. Subscribe for more insights into philosophy and self-improvement. Like this video if it has inspired you. Share it with others who seek strength amidst life's storms. Together, as fellow travelers on this journey, we can embrace Stoicism as a way of life, facing challenges with courage, treating others with kindness, living each day as if it were our last. For as Marcus reminds us,